Installing buttons, a very important task. First, we're going to begin here in black thread just to make it easier to see by creating a stitch in the middle of the eye. This will create the base. You can see that there can sometimes be a little bit of a tangle, but you just continue on. So we're going to create about 3 stitches here over top of each other in the exact same spot to create a stable base to attach the button. This is a very important step that some people do skip, but it means that your button will be that much more secure. If you're installing a 4-hole button, it begins the same way, except for you will also make another part to the base to create a bit of an X shape underneath. So here we are ready to install the button. There are 2 sides of the button. Typically one side has a printed name on it and the other, but you have to decide which aesthetically looks the best. And then you get to thread it through the needle, making sure to position it in the direction you want to stay up. So first I'm going through one hole and then down through the other hole. And then, so I'm going to attach that to the eye. So it's kind of creating one big stitch that goes through the button and then through the fabric, through that base area that we created before. Making sure to keep the stitches small in the base area. You will continue to make stitches through the base and through the button for about 4 times. Once you've gone through about 4 times, you're ready to tie off. Once you've gone through about 4 times, you're ready to tie off. So I created a loop here and I put my needle through it, and I'm going to pull it through, and this creates a knot. Now I need a few of these knots to make sure that my button doesn't come out. So I'm going to repeat this process a few times. Once you've done that a couple times, you're ready to trim the thread. Make sure you trim it nice and tight so no one can see the loose threads.